don't give a fuck about you. I don't give a fuck about Steel. And I don't give a fuck about Raheem either. I don't give a fuck about myself. I ain't shit. I ain't never gonna be shit. And you less of a man than me, so as soon as I decide that you ain't gonna be shit, so be it. You remember that, motherfucker.
I'm a big dog, nigga. I ain't never been no pussycat. I been playing full court on the bitches where them rookies at. Dressed in black on the jack. Robbing, stealing, double that. It's busting knuckles on the hustle. Hit the bank with duffel bags. We got it out the mud. Taking chances, that's that thug life. For some they had love, then that love it turned to murder, right? That bitch you fucking every night. Been working with the eye. Set up hoes on the payrolls. Now killers at your spot. A sniff of coke and proper tie from a young thigh. It's all the effort to get these sucker niggas dumb shot. These suckers wide open, they passing info to the cop. Yeah, you know them sucker tight niggas always yapping on the block. Always on some drama shit, but they never let the llama spit. I'm Taliban, man, Osama, Mac Osama, living shit. When niggas switch up, they change weathers like the weather did. The pain in my heart that forced my love to turn negative. Shady situations had me strapped up stressing. Two cousins, mercies months apart, I took it as a lesson. Most as a blessing, I'm still breathing but I ain't living right. Looking over my shoulder, my past me in this fucking song sight. I'm still gripping these pipes, nigga. Caught up in this life, nigga. Nobody to be trusted, smashing on them late nights, nigga. It be no sucker types that'll try to put you under. When it rain and storms and when it hails and brings thunder. Let's keep this shit 100. I'm a savage that play position. I was a younger that had a vision, then went hard on my mission. Niggas felt the tension when I was clinching, they was flinching. My trigger finger gripping, all say I was aiming and ripping. When niggas in they feelings, I don't feel that shit. Instead of acting like a bitch, just man up and pull a skit. I'm a real day one nigga, I ain't never been a bitch. To death, take my last breath, it is what it is, nigga.